see him now. I see him now. I think he's coming. There he is. There he comes, there he comes. Kill him. Kill him. That's what I was talking about, brother. Got him on camera. Oh, there he comes, there he comes. Kill him. Kill him. Okay, y'all, this is my brother Michael. We just had a successful turkey hunt. Y'all seen it, but we're doing a little recap now. Just want to congratulate him one more time on a great morning, brother. And show me your turkey.
Couldn't have done it without that calling he was doing, though.
Look at nice beard right here. Nice beard.
Hey.
All right, brother. It was a great day.
Yep. That was a good hunt.
He told me about the little whine call, and I ain't gonna say that's 100% what killed this turkey, but that's what we was doing when he finally come to us. He was out in that field just going back and forth, and I went to whining and whipping to him and bubble clucking, and after about 5 minutes, when he decided to come, he come trotting. He actually shot him trotting to us when he finally decided to come. So learning that call and actually seeing it in person work gave me confidence to try to use it, and this is proof that it worked. But if you do it that right way, it's actually, from what I learned from Matt Dale, it's a breeding call. She's ready for you to come breed her, and they can't stand it very long, but now you got to do it soft and you got to do it when they close. And I can't be a professional on that deal. I just know I seen it last year and it worked, and I actually did it this morning and got him when he was not going to leave that field.
He walked past us 3 times. and then would not come down that lane until you started doing that.
But I don't know if the camera's done justice, but this thing has a really nice beard. Really nice beard. That's probably 9.5, 10 inches.
He's a pretty bird.
All right, well, we're going to sit here and enjoy this a few minutes. And I doubt this part will happen, but if we hear another one, we're going to get after him. And if not, we're going to go home and enjoy this.
Oh, that's simple.
But he said one just gobbled, so who knows? We might have y'all back on with us here in just a minute. But until then, I hope y'all enjoyed the hunt. Don't expect nothing professional, because this is the first time I've ever did this live. So hope y'all liked it.